So the else if block is a added level of kind of checking to an if else block. We'll go over it in the video, but it's kind of an add-on to an if that's pretty useful. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Right, so let me reset this timer again. One sec. Okay, sorry about that. We're going to be using the code we've been writing again in the past few videos to explain the else if. The else if is a block that's going to go in between the if and the else. So if the if statement is false, it'll execute then next an else if, and if the else if is false, then it'll only go to the else. So the else is like our last resort, and the else if is a second level of conditional. So all we've got to do is write else if, or not else if, sorry, elif, elif, and then we can put in another condition. So it's different. It's kind of a halfway point between the if and the else. It executes after an if, but you can provide a condition. So let's get the condition else if I is equal to 10. And just remember, if you're stuck on these conditional operators, then there's a video on them back in the series. We're going to print I is actually 10. So if we run this now, what it's going to do, let's ignore this bottom bit for now. What it's actually going to do is, since I is 10, it's going to print I is actually 10. It's going to check this first, if I is smaller than 5, and it's not. So it's going to move on to the next block, which is else if I equals 10, which it is. So it's going to do that, and it's going to say I is actually 10.
It's 1:15.
And, sorry about that, by the way, wrong timing. And because it actually is, it's going to do that, and not the else block. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.